DoorDash wants to do more for restaurants than just deliver. There's a new chicken tender player in town, and Yum Brand's CEO David Gibbs retires this week. Welcome to Restaurant Daily, the day's biggest industry news and trends from the editors of Restaurant Business and Nation's Restaurant News. I'm RB Managing Editor Heather Lally.
And I'm NRN Managing Editor Leanne Zinsmeister. DoorDash is positioning itself to do a whole lot more for restaurants than just delivery. The off-premises specialist on Monday unveiled a host of services and technologies that DoorDash says will boost in-store traffic. Soon, guests will be able to make reservations through DoorDash as well as find deals and discounts on in-store experiences. And guests will be able to earn rewards for in-store dining. And DoorDash is also upgrading delivery. A new smart scale can recognize whether the delivery orders are missing anything just by weighing the bag. And an adorable new delivery robot is coming named Dot. These new delivery bots are more like robo-taxis and can drive on the roads and bike lanes up to 20 miles per hour.
Wendy's is getting into the chicken tenders game. The fast food chain introduced chicken tenders along with 6 sauces on Tuesday, adding its name to the growing list of restaurant chains now serving chicken tenders. Wendy's has said that it wants to sell more chicken, and executives believe the product could provide a platform for a lot more innovation in the future. Wingstop, McDonald's, and many other chains have introduced chicken tenders recently as they seek to take on chains like Raising Cane's.
David Gibbs is retiring this week as CEO of Yum Brands after an impressive 36-year career with the world's largest restaurant company and serving in a variety of leadership roles. Since becoming CEO in January 2020, he has successfully navigated the COVID-19 pandemic while spearheading digital transformation and AI-powered technology initiatives. Under his development, Yum added 22,000 global locations with a new KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, or Habit Burger opening every 2 hours worldwide. Gibbs focused on strengthening iconic brands, building industry-leading digital capabilities, accelerating profitable unit development, and fostering a people-first culture. As he passes the torch to his CFO, Chris Turner, he said that the business is positioned to grow to new heights.
G.J. Hart has a new gig. The industry veteran, who was most recently the CEO of Red Robin, is the new CEO of SPB Hospitality. SPB owns Crystal, Logan's Roadhouse, J. Alexander's, and other brands. Hart replaces Josh Kern, who is leaving SPB for another job in the industry. He had been with the company for nearly 7 years.
There will be no union at BJ's Restaurants. Employees of the chain's Modesto location voted not to unionize on Friday. Servers and bartenders had been lobbying for a union in response to the chain's new tip-sharing policy, which they said was cutting into their pay.
Five Guys is the Restaurant Business Global Restaurant Leader of the Year. The burger chain proved that fast casual restaurants can thrive outside the U.S. The chain's international system sales last year surpassed $1 billion. That's more than any other fast casual brand, including chains like Panera Bread and Chipotle that are much larger. Five Guys operates 450 international locations in 29 different countries. The award will be presented at the Global Restaurant Leadership Conference in Barcelona in November.
Noodles & Company, the troubled fast casual chain, is celebrating its 30th anniversary with a discount deal for its loyalty program members. Classic dishes such as its mac and cheese and Japanese pan noodles are on sale for $4.95 from October 4th through 6th. That's about half off their regular prices and reflecting what was charged for those dishes when the chain debuted in 1995. The promotion comes as the chain faces declining traffic due to what management has called eroding value perception.
And that should do it for today's edition of Restaurant Daily. Get the latest restaurant news every weekday wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Heather Lally.
And I'm Leanne Zinsmeister. Have a great day.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of Restaurant Daily. Rate us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and subscribe.